If you're starting from scratch and you want to make your first $1,000 or euros within the first 30 days, maybe you have no money, skills, or experience, the method that I'm going to show you is the fastest way that you can make $1,000 within the next 30 days, and I have the proof to back it up. Not only is this something that I do personally, but it's the exact method that I've made my first 50,000 euro online within my first 6 months. And this screenshot right here is from one of the payment processors that we use. I spent the last 2 years learning how this works, and I've even implemented it within a few students to help them make the first 2, 3, 4, even 6K a month within their first month. These students all started from scratch with zero following, no email list, or no money for ads. The method that I'm about to show you is called white labeled SaaS. So there's literally millions of local businesses out there with no website, no email list, no text message marketing, and not even any hub to keep track of all their customers. So this is where you come in, you provide a simple software solution and you sell it to these local businesses for between 97 and 497 every single month. So what I'm about to show you is actually quite unique, and the hardest part about all of this is actually getting the clients themselves, because you can learn how to build websites for clients from anywhere and it would only take you a few hours. So the strategy that we've been testing out and the one that I'm going to show you today is the easiest way that you can get your first few SaaS customers. Make sure to stick it out to the very end of this video. I'm going to show you how you can do this for yourself and also fulfill it for all your clients. And by the way, I have nothing to sell you. It's all completely free, so make sure to stick it out to the very, very end. So I'm going to go ahead and share my screen and show you how you're going to hit your first $1,000 a month within the first 30 days. So the first step here is either going to Facebook groups or in-person meetings, and I would recommend doing both just to get the most out of this and to get the fastest results as possible. So let's just say, for example, we head over to Facebook and look up for businesses in Dublin. As you can see, this exact group right here has 3.4 thousand members, and this is only businesses in Dublin. You can do this for any city, any state, any country that you're in, or anywhere around the globe. What people don't understand from looking at all these members is that even if half of these business owners in Dublin are actual business owners that are in the group, then that's over 1,700 businesses that might need a website up and running. So there's literally hundreds of thousands of businesses out there that need your services. So I would join 10 to 20 local Facebook groups and write this exact post in the group itself, or you want to just walk into local businesses in your area and say something very similar. So the main difference between a Facebook post and an in-person meeting is that with an in-person meeting, it's going to be that much more direct. You're going to be walking into the local business. You're going to be trying to speak with the actual business owner themselves. So the whole interaction is going to be a bit more intimate. You'll be able to actually talk to the business owner. So as you can see, the next step in the funnel right here is either use Facebook Messenger or in-person meetings. That's where you want to actually set up the meeting itself. You want to offer a free website and a chat widget that these business owners can put on their website. And you're probably wondering how you're going to make money offering a free website and a chat widget. Well, the thing is, you can build the website and the chat widget out for completely free, but business owners also need to pay for hosting for the website. In terms of the hosting alone, you can charge whatever you want to charge, but the maximum that I would go right here is 97 a month, because other platforms can do this for slightly cheaper. But the thing is, they're getting a full website for completely free. This saves them spending thousands and thousands of euros or dollars on getting a website developed. So if you do this every single day within your first 30 days and you manage to get 10 clients paying you 97 a month, that's 970 euro or dollars already in monthly reoccurring revenue. It's completely passive. You pocket the entire thing. But the best and most powerful part about all this is the fact that you can make a ton more money by upselling clients on your software, and you can give them access to everything else. The best part about all this is you can charge literally whatever price you want. The majority of my clients all pay between 97 and 497 a month, but if you are going with the upsell route, then I would go between 297 and 497 a month. The value that you'll provide for these businesses using the simple software solution is going to be much more than what they're paying you. They're probably already spending thousands a month already on different tools and different softwares, and you can put them all into the one place. So here's where I'm going to show you how you can do this for completely free. So the white label SaaS platform that we use is called Go High Level, and they've been kind enough to offer the people that work with me one-on-one an extended 30-day free trial. This will give you enough time to get it not only set up, but also get those first 10 clients within your first 30 days. These extended 30-day trials are pretty rare to come by, and if you were to sign up for High Level directly on their website, they only give you a free 14-day trial. So there's going to be a link down below which you can get signed up for, but I'm going to tell you a bit more about that in just a second. You'll be able to get it set up and get your first few clients even if you have no experience, no sales experience, no marketing experience, or even if you don't want to create content online. High Level itself as a platform offers so much for your clients. They literally can cut out every other software solution. You're able to provide them their CRM so they can keep track of all their leads and all their customers. You can do those websites with thousands and thousands of different templates. You can do their chat widget, you can do their email marketing, you can do their SMS marketing, you can do reputation management, which means you're able to go to a business and help them get more positive Google reviews, but you're able to internalize and completely hide the negative reviews. The businesses that I found most success with this is hotels, gyms, and restaurants. But if you do want to get this up and running and work with me one-on-one to help you get your first few clients, this is all completely free. You get access to the Start Your SaaS course, which is of course also completely free. All you got to do is sign up for the extended free trial using the first link in the description. You'll instantly receive access to the course and the training. You'll be able to speak with me at any time, one-to-one, directly. You can ask any questions at all that you want to ask. You get access to a ton of different website and funnel templates. You get outreach scripts, and you also get access to a ton of different cold email templates, which is another method that we use to get clients. So again, click the first link down below in the description to get signed up for your free extended 30-day trial, and you'll be able to work one-on-one with me. So if you have enjoyed this video or this method, or if you have any questions about it, leave them down below. So go ahead and do this method. I'm looking forward to seeing all your guys' results. You can send them over to me on Instagram. I'm hoping you guys get all the same success and the results as all these other students of mine. So make sure to drop a sub, and I'll see you in the next video.